Hey everyone, if you're a web designer or developer looking to speed up your Webflow projects, then Relume Library is a game changer. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Relume with Webflow, its benefits, why it can make your design process way more efficient. So let's get started. So what is Relume first? So Relume is a component library designed for Webflow users, featuring hundreds of pre-built sections and components that can be copied and pasted into Webflow. So it's perfect for rapid prototyping and scaling website without having to start from scratch. So why do we use Relume instead of other things? I like Relume with Webflow because using Relume with Webflow brings a lot of several advantages, such as faster development, saves time with ready-made section for hero banners, pricing tables, footers, and more, and consistent design. Component as professionally designed and follow best practices, easy customization, modify colors, typograph, and layouts within Webflow, so CEO and performance friendly. The components are optimized for speed and SEO. Then, so let's get started on how to use Relume with Webflow. So first things first, you gotta sign into Relume first. Then, create an account. Then browse the component library, that match your, website needs. So we're just gonna go here in our Webflow here, Webflow library. Some of these are, paid, so you do need to pay for a subscription to get some of this applications here, but there are free stuffs here. You can just go here and stuff. You can just copy it. So first one, clone style guide, then copy component, then paste it into your project right here. So that's pretty cool. So you can just copy some of this. Let's say copy this one, right? This footer right here. So this design, you're just gonna go there. Then after that, just go, we just basically copy it, then we can paste it in our Webflow project. So that's pretty cool. It's just that easy. Or then you can just customize the font, the size, and everything you need to edit when you copy the component here. Then yeah, guys. Then our tips for optimizing Relume in Webflow is to make the most out of Relume plus Webflow is to make the most out of it. So use a design system, stick to Webflow's class naming structure for easy edits, customize for uniqueness, modify the components to avoid looking like a template, optimize up images and assets, reduce file size to improve its site speed, and also use Webflow interaction, add animation to make the site more engaging. So is Relume worth using? If you're a freelancer, agency, or business owner, Relume can save you hours of work while keeping your designs polished and professional. It's great for scaling websites quickly while maintaining high quality. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's our Relume plus Webflow is a powerful combo for building beautiful websites fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment below. If you have any more questions, just put it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on